Well, hello everybody. So I've been gone for a minute. I was a little taken aback by somebody that passed away on the YouTubes. But I have a big old haul. This is part of it, so we will do this before I get into some canning projects. And I hope you all are enjoying the holiday season. It's going to be really warm on Christmas here. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, it's going to be almost 80 degrees on Christmas Eve. So that's crazy. It's cold today. So let's get going. We have some black-eyed peas because the hubby likes black-eyed peas and they can be elusive at times. We have some spicy jalapeno refried beans. Hey you guys, see, I thought I could get this done with my husband not being home, but the dogs are gonna act crazy. Or maybe daddy's home. Some stewed tomatoes. And those can be handy when you can't find fresh tomatoes. Some cream cheese frosting. Some chili magic. Don't know, never tried it, but we'll see. It's campfire style. Some country style baked beans, some mushrooms. I can and dehydrate my own mushrooms, but I also buy canned and dehydrated. I got some cream corn. Sometimes that can be hard to find, don't know why. I got some falafel mix, Mediterranean style. If you're storing chickpeas, this might be a neat thing to have, or if you have vegans or vegetarians in the family, I would get you some of this for your chickpeas so you can have something besides hummus or whatever else you do with garbanzo beans. And then I got 3 different flavors of these one skillets. I got beef stir fry and vegetables, which I made last night from scratch. I got bourbon pork, and I got creamy chicken and vegetables, and I thought this might be something cool to use with your canned meats. If you can chicken legs or whatever, might be able to do something with that just to zhuzh them up a little bit. I got some garlic and herb salad dressing. I got some marshmallows, some minis, and I got some Lucky Charms. We dehydrate these, or the regular colored ones, and call it reindeer poop. So these are all of the Lucky Charms shapes. So if you like the Lucky Charms marshmallows in the cereal, you can dehydrate those and have those. I got some smokehouse almonds to make some smoked almond brittle, which I got to get on the candy making today. I got some ultimate cheeseburger mac. I got some Italian sausage and garlic pasta sauce. I got some tomato basil garlic pasta sauce. Then I got these things here. There's three of these lights, and they have the magnet and a hook, so you can put them on your hood to the stove. You can put them on anything metal around the house when you need light. I have one I'm using now for this video on my hood that we have in here for emergencies, and I really like them, so these are really handy. Just make sure you got batteries. I got some ground black pepper. I have a ton of black peppercorns, but seasonings are getting a little iffy, so I got that. I got a big jar of olives. I got a 12 pack of the Heart Healthy cream of chicken soup, just so I don't have to worry about having that on hand. I got a canister of Crisco. I got a big old bag of almonds. They have really good prices on Amazon, especially if you do the subscribe and save for their nuts. So if you want to stock up on some nuts, I would check that out. I got another 10 pack of the Hungry Jack instant mashed potatoes. I really like the Hungry Jack. They taste like actual potatoes. I got a casserole cookbook. So I thought that would come in handy for all of our canned goods. You can kind of switch them up a little bit. There's 100 recipes in that. I got 2 boxes of iced tea to add to my husband's tea stash. I got my honey. I get a bottle of this every month, so I use it a lot in my husband's granola. I got the 4-pack of tuna creations. It has lemon pepper, sweet and spicy, hickory smoked, and ranch, and these are only $3.77 on subscribe and save. I got a tuna helper tetrazzini. You use chicken with that or whatever. I got a chicken helper chicken fried rice. You can use any meat with that. I used a box of my Krusty's cornbread, so I got 2 more to replace that. I got a 4 cheese and herb Triscuit and 2 boxes of the roasted garlic. I got these 2 boxes of the grab and go beef jerky, and I'm going to put some of these in my husband's Christmas stocking. I got 6 packages of the real bacon, and that's just because I like to have a smaller package. I don't have to worry about, what'll happen if I have a ginormous one and open it and need to put it away. I got these just to try. They're cookie cups, peanut butter and fudge. I got a lemon poppy seed muffin or quick bread mix. I got some shampoo. I got some peanut butter cookie mix. Double chocolate chunk cookie mix. And I've never used any of these cookie mixes, so we'll see. I got a turkey Spam and a less sodium Spam. I do try to do my pantry around our health needs as best as I can. I got a marshmallow cream for some fudge. I got a strawberry lemonade to replace some of the lemonades that I had that were recalled. I got another jar of peanut butter to make sure the dogs and we have enough peanut butter. I got a chicken and sausage gumbo chunky soup to add to our soups. I got 48 AA batteries to add to the battery stash. And I got, what is this? 12 packages of tuna. And yeah, you can get that for $11 on subscribe and save. So that's under $1 a package for your tuna. So yeah, now I get to put all of this away. I hope you all are doing well and trying to stay cheerful and enjoy the holidays, and don't let everything going on get you down or freak you out or any of that. It's going to be okay. I don't think this is as big a deal as they're saying from what I'm hearing, but this too shall pass. So get ready for spring. A couple more months and we'll be out of winter. We'll have warm weather and sunny skies. At least I'm going to this weekend, I guess. So anyways, you all take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Let me know what you're putting on your pantry shelves, and if you've got some ideas for some unusual tasty morsels that can go on the shelves that I've not come across. So you all take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.